there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a tent and campfire. So here you can see that I'm using my blue highlighter pen to draw the campfire. Now I'm using my gray pen. I'm drawing the tent. Now I'm using my blue pen. I will be drawing a travel bag here. I'm using my blue highlighter pen again. And now I'm using my cyan pen. Here's my blue highlighter pen again. This is the entrance of the tent. Now I'm using my green highlighter pen. The tent is almost done. Now I'm using my blue pen to color inside it. Now I will be drawing some grasses with my green pen. I'm using my gray pen to draw the fire. Here's my black pen. And now for the fire, I'm using my orange pen. I'm using my orange highlighter pen. Here's my yellow pen. I'm using my orange highlighter pen again. Uh-oh, that is too light, so I'm using my orange pen. This time I'm using my pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.